How's it going everyone? I'm AC and welcome to another video. Today I'm in the Shekou district of Shenzhen, China. I'm going to be using the Canon M50 with the Yongnuo 50mm f1.8 lens. It's literally the cheapest lens I could buy. I think I got it for around 200 RMB second hand. And at f1.8 and autofocus, you really can't get much better than that. I basically got it because it's been raining for the past 2 weeks. I needed a fast aperture lens so I could shoot with one hand while holding an umbrella. If you do like the video, please consider subscribing. I will greatly appreciate it. And if you have any questions about the lens, then just drop a comment. I'll probably respond to it because I have no subscribers. So just sit back, grab a coffee or a tea or some hot water, whatever's your preference. Relax and enjoy. I'm only using a 50, which is like an 85. Can't really get anything in it. So much lens flare as well. like a zoom lens. And then speed up. I have no idea how these are going to edit, to be honest. 12,000 ISO. And the M50 struggling to focus in such dark. Here we go. Come on, we're turning right. Break is over. You want some cigs or you want some alcohol? They've got them both. Yes. It's one of them photos that's like, tell me you're in China without telling me you're in China. I think for what I paid for this lens, like maybe $30 when it was on sale. It ain't bad. I'm right in this puddle. Just stepped in a huge puddle. Cool shot. I'm not used to prime lenses. Make sure to drop a like, comment, subscribe, all of that. Get it done. And I'll see you in the next one. Nice.